go to the baseline, just the baseline. To the baseline. Put it deep down. Put it deep down. Put it deep down. Put it deep down. Break it down. Bang it up. Put up, put up. Bang it up, bang it up.
Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little dad dream, but she lives in China. Real big, mother bricks to China. I thought,
Slinky person, come up on stage. Come over here. Girl, shake that up. Girl, shake that up. Big shot, Slinky. Middle of the stage is yours. Take that Wait a minute. There's a group right here in front of the stage. I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it too, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. Like your lip, half one ball like rock that dick. You ain't never got one more thing. We already made mine, no cocaine. Make it rain with the Redbull. Make it rain.
I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just send some babe. I might just show with your boo. I'm freaking out the boy. Niggas getting sponsored when they see me. Cause they say she hard. If you wanna impress me, put them bands in the birthday card. Six. He like how I be flex. Six. Call me rest cause I be dressed. Six. If you like me, ice my neck with bottle wars in the club. The thickest bitches in my face.
We're playing fair.
I'm looking for the hoe. Yeah, shake that ass, shake that ass, where they at? I'm looking for the hoe. I like a hood nigga that don't give a fuck. I threw it back on your nigga, he beat my coochie up. Wow. I'm his favorite bitch. You a lame bro. I bounce that ass, man.
Know how to dance, make a lean. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Yeah. Call the 5 man, she a hot girl. Put her out. Ooh, I just know. It's the drop. I tell them put her ass in the air. Dip it down. Go get the time, I'll do it back.
tonight! Welcome to Redbull Red Monday. We're just gonna go to Buckhead, Midtown, ATL. My name is TJ. We're gonna party tonight. Make some noise! Atlanta, you fucking ready? Hey.
Hey, Atlanta, make some motherfucking noise right now. Atlanta, make some motherfucking noise right now. Atlanta, make some motherfucking noise right now.
I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it. I be on it all night, man, I be on it all day. Straight up pimp, if you want me, you can find me in the air. I'm on it, 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 I'm on it.
Whole lot of moves, whole lot of money, whole bitches coming from me, bitches I don't keep popping and whopping and wearing whole jacket, whole lot of money, whole bitches coming from me.
Yeah. Hey, records on my demo.
I'm on here, body, polo on my body, got it back on the side, big wheel right behind me, and I'm swag, I'm feeling like this to turn it up. If you go, home, yeah, if you go, Lil J on the track.
ATL, let me see those A's in the air. Put them up. We represent Atlanta's nightlife industry. Make some noise.
Against me, every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck you know, where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay, my nigga?
Young gun, no one that been calling me splurge. Drop me jump right on the curb.
Yeah, what I'm a summer rapper, word in this. I got rich and I'm still in a hooligan clique. You be rapping by blow, I'm moving the brick.
Alright, so we at where we at?
The Vortex.
We're at the Vortex.
Yep.
I just ordered a zombie burger. Right? Finna see what that's hitting for. We waiting on Da Vinci to pull up. But I ain't ate nothing all day, so I was like, let's walk somewhere since we in Little 5 Points right now. And yeah, this was the first place I saw. It was another place that served like hot dogs and stuff, but I literally said, you can ask him, I literally said, I'm not finna pay for something that costs $30. And then as soon as I Googled the spot, the first thing I saw was exactly
$30.
I said, yeah, I'm not eating there. So yeah.
Yeah, luckily we parked across the street.
Yeah, luckily we did. We parked across the street. So yeah, I ordered the zombie burger. I'm gonna tell y'all what that's hitting for. He got him a little alcoholic beverage.
Sweetwater 420.
Sweetwater 420. He know all the different names and stuff. All I know is Corona and Modelo. But yeah, we're finna see what that food hitting for. I'm gonna let y'all know. When it get here, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like first though. Alright, boom. Alright, boom. So my food finally came, right? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Did look good.
I think it gives me one of those like thalassophobia things because I'm like, I just know. Never wondered.
It's called the zombie burger. Javinci finally showed up too. It's called the zombie burger. And I ain't gonna lie, cool. Delicious. Alright, so I took the first bite. They got like some goddamn They good as hell though. It got like some type of red sauce. It tastes like the shit that go on spaghetti. But then it got a hard egg on it. And then it's like some cheese. It go well together. I tell you that. You can't eat it like a regular burger because it's this damn thick.
It's called the zombie apocalypse.
They got a nice, ooh. It got barbecue, some spicy barbecue sauce on it. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm done.
And I'll take care of the thing on the left side. I forget what it's called, goddammit. The player. Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Sorry.
Without you, I'm fucked up, man. Crash out. The rest of the project?
Self-care.
Self-care. And then oh shit, you're right. So when did we drop the self-care?
I told her, she was like, actually, like, what's that? Like, we need a photo of her. And then we need to start, we need to put together the landing page for that particular thing.
Yeah, that'd be
I would say I would want to come up with a, like I said, self-care with the rose under it. I would probably.
I give a zombie burger a 10 out of 10. Definitely.
Cups are big things. Everybody always had a live in cup. So I would create something like that.
Like the same cup or like the tumbler? Like the same, like the tumbler or what one have a cup that
Like
we use as cheese?
Yeah, the one with the straw. I would do something like that or whatever because I know people would do that and then promote it. If they sell that, cool. But that shit man. And then every song that she does, it needs to be like self-care by industry. Here's my thing about artists, bro.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all something else.
It's not your session. People like closed sessions too.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, so every session ain't
These
about
tots. Not only do they got cheese and bacon, these tots got sausage bacon on them.
That's true.
Sausage bacon.
Like, number one, the first thing.
I mean, sausage gravy, my bad.
Recording it for the people that you don't know sometimes can be a little bit of a
anxiety.
Alright, I'm done. Shit gone. 10 out of 10. Shit was busting. Come to the Vortex. Get the zombie burger, that shit. It all go together. Even if it don't go together, they went together. But yeah, we finna go shoot something real quick, so I'll get back with y'all. Oh yeah!
yeah, that's real. Yeah.
So what you got? What you say you got a real one with?
Now we out here doing some Q Rashid content, shooting some stuff, trying to get warmed up for the spring and the summer. You know, light shit today. This is the first verse, right?
Second verse, yeah.
That is.
Yeah, that's good.
Say it out loud. I want to hear you.
Olympic gold medal, nigga, we ain't the same. I got wings, fuck a Red Bull. I call the shots and my targets hit till they left full. To break the break the motor of fire, that's what it is. Alright.